Hello, my name is John Johnson. I'm the co-founder and managing director of eSkills.net. I've been working in education in both the public and the private sectors my entire career, having started as a high school teacher in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I first saw distance learning in 1987 from the public high school where I was working, when we were teaching communities in the north through video and telephone communication. 7 years later, I had the opportunity to witness students from the University of Toronto completing their degrees from 5,000 kilometers away, just south of the Alaska border. Needless to say, my curiosity was elevated when e-learning started to become a reality. Zooming ahead, today we have 14 years of software production and evolution experience using the latest technologies in the e-learning sector with a focus on languages. Further, we have developed a do-it-yourself e-learning platform called yLinks, which permits for organizations to build and manage e-learning solutions. E-learning works. Properly designed curriculum on an intuitive platform with proper support is proving to be very powerful in producing results. Years ago, we did a study on 2 groups at a public university in Paris, France, involving learning strategies. One group with e-learning and the other without. It was a complete victory for the e-learning students because of proper levels, proper pace, and a teacher that was happy and enthusiastic to be there. The e-learning won out. We have worked with major and multinationals, public universities, private colleges, language schools, and the general public from all around the world. eSkills is an e-learning company that wants to partner with organizations that are interested in boosting the students' experience for language learning. If you think this might be something that would be interesting for you, please contact us for further information. Thank you very much for your time.